So I've finally had the opportunity to go ahead and replace my leaking 6-year-old fuel pump on my Blue Black 124 with another genuine Bosch pump, the same as what I had before. And if you're interested in seeing what comes with the pump, you can see here. It, yes, does come with those rubber boots that go over the terminals. Construction is all very familiar, has the positive and negative terminals marked. And yeah, so I have gone ahead and fit it now. Of course, I do want to test that this is leak free before I put that cover back on, and I have used new crush washers on that high pressure fitting as well. I have only just changed the bottom pump. We'll see how the top one goes and when that starts to leak. So just to start off with, I put a couple of litres in there and then pressurised the fuel system and then checked for leaks. After I was satisfied with that, I filled the rest of the tank up with fuel. And as you can see, it is now running and there's no more leaks. So we can consider that a fix for now. But having seen how that pump works, I'm pretty sure I'm going to be coming back to this area to change the top one. We'll get onto that shortly when I show you what's inside. So after a quick hose down, my Blue Black 124 is looking a lot nicer. It sure is good to see it clean like this, although it's not actually properly clean, it is literally just hosed off. So let's get started on opening up this pump. It is just a case of either tearing away or unfolding down these crimping marks, and the whole thing just separates. And you can see it's extremely simple. You've got the permanent magnets on the outside, you've got the rotor in the middle, and you've got brushes in the end cap. And what has actually failed here is simply the O-ring has gone rock hard and shrunk, which is very disappointing, which means these newer style pumps basically will not live long enough to make the bearing noises that the old ones used to after 30 years. These are basically throwaway items. So I'm not going to be buying these anymore. This is the last time I will be installing one of these Bosch pumps. There are aftermarket made in the USA racing fuel pumps that drop straight in and have compatible connections. I will be using one of those next time. Yeah, you can see that basically almost none of the brush material has been used up. I would have only done maybe 5,000 kilometers with this pump. Very disappointing.